In today's digital age, the stock market is more accessible than ever before. With just a computer and an internet connection, anyone can trade stocks from the comfort of their own home. However, while the process might seem daunting at first, it's entirely feasible with the right knowledge and approach. Let's walk through the steps of trading the stock market from home. Educate yourself. Before diving into the stock market, it's crucial to understand the basics. Familiarize yourself with terms like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. Learn about different investment strategies and risk management techniques. There are plenty of online resources, courses, and books available to help you get started. Choose a brokerage. To trade stocks, you'll need to open an account with a brokerage firm. Look for a reputable broker that offers a user-friendly trading platform and competitive fees. Many brokers now offer commission-free trading, making it cost-effective for beginners. Research and analysis. Successful trading requires research and analysis. Before making any trades, study the companies you're interested in investing in. Look at their financial statements, earnings reports, and industry trends. Utilize tools like stock screeners and technical analysis charts to identify potential opportunities. Develop a trading plan. A trading plan outlines your strategy, including entry and exit points, risk tolerance, and position sizing. Stick to your plan and avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions. Remember, the stock market can be unpredictable, so having a well-defined plan can help you stay disciplined. Practice with paper trading. If you're new to trading, consider practicing with a virtual trading account. Many brokerages offer paper trading platforms where you can simulate trades using virtual money. This allows you to test out different strategies and gain confidence before risking real capital. Monitor the markets, stay informed about market news and events that could impact your investments. Set up alerts and notifications to stay updated on price movements and market trends. Being aware of market conditions can help you make informed decisions and adapt your strategy accordingly. Execute trades. When you're ready to make a trade, log into your brokerage account and place your order. Choose between market orders, limit orders, or stop orders depending on your trading strategy. Double-check your order details before confirming to avoid any mistakes. Review and learn. After each trade, take the time to review your performance. Analyze what went well and what could be improved upon. Learning from your successes and mistakes is essential for continuous growth as a trader. Manage your risks. Risk management is key to long-term success in the stock market. Never risk more than you can afford to lose, and consider using stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Diversifying your portfolio across different asset classes can also help mitigate risk. Stay patient and persistent. Trading the stock market is a journey that requires patience and persistence. Don't expect to become a successful trader overnight. Stay committed to learning and improving your skills over time. Trading the stock market from home can be a rewarding experience, but it requires dedication and discipline. By educating yourself, developing a solid trading plan, and staying informed, you can increase your chances of success in the exciting world of stock trading. Remember, the key is to stay focused on your goals and remain adaptable in the face of changing market conditions.